Have you ever found yourself pondering over what Metro 2 compliance is? Well, it's high time we shed some light on this important subject. Imagine a world of credit reporting where everything is accurate, consistent, and up to date. That's exactly what Metro 2 compliance aims to achieve. It's a standard established by the Consumer Data Industry Association, or CDIA, to ensure that credit bureaus provide accurate and complete information about consumers' credit history. In essence, Metro 2 compliance is a data format, a language if you will, that financial institutions use to report about your credit to the credit bureaus. It's like a universal translator, but for credit information. This format ensures that all information is reported in a consistent and standardized way, which in turn helps maintain the integrity of the credit reporting system. But why is Metro 2 compliance so important, you might ask? Well, the credit report is a fundamental tool that lenders use to determine whether or not to lend to a consumer and at what rates. Therefore, inaccurate or incomplete credit reports can lead to unfair or even discriminatory lending practices. That's where Metro 2 compliance comes to the rescue. By forcing lenders to use this standard format, it helps ensure that all credit reports are accurate and fair, reducing the risk of such unfair practices. Moreover, Metro 2 compliance also promotes transparency. It allows consumers to better understand their credit reports and dispute any inaccuracies they might find. This, in turn, helps them make more informed decisions about their financial future. In conclusion, Metro 2 compliance is more than just a data format. It's a vital part of the credit reporting system, ensuring accuracy, fairness, and transparency. It's the standard that lenders must adhere to when reporting credit information, promoting a fair and equitable lending environment. It's the tool that helps consumers understand their credit reports better and dispute any inaccuracies. So, the next time you look at your credit report, remember the unseen hero in the background, Metro 2 compliance, working tirelessly to ensure the integrity and accuracy of your credit information. creditbloom.com